Hey guys, this is going to be a remake video of this 42-inch Encon Premier Deluxe ceiling fan. This fan is from August of 1988 and it is installed in the office at my house. This fan replaced a Southern Breeze Fairwind. Back in July of 2020, I put this fan up in here. I've had this fan in my collection since 2018. I believe these fans were sold at Sears back in the 80s, and I think these were discontinued in the early 90s, I'm not really sure. And the globe is not original. A few days before I installed this fan, I got this globe at Lowe's. And it looks a lot better on the fan than the original one did. The original globe was just a plain schoolhouse globe. The fan is in white and brass finish. And the blades are reversible, stenciled to just plain. And there's a top shot. And the date is somewhere right there. I think it's right here. All right, now I will demonstrate it for you, starting off with the light. And now for low. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.